So can you make money with affiliate marketing even though you don't have a website? Of course you can, and in this video I'm going to show you 6 different ways that you can make affiliate commissions with no website. Hey guys, my name is Chad and welcome back to Purely Remote, the channel that is all about bringing you all the tips, tools and resources for you to find success online. Now on this channel we're constantly creating content and videos about different ways that you can make money online, starting and growing your online business with affiliate marketing and other methods as well. So if that's something that you're interested in, you might want to consider subscribing. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to answer a question that we get asked really often by anyone who wants to start affiliate marketing. Very often the question comes up, I want to start affiliate marketing, I want to start an online business, but I'm not really very tech savvy. I don't know how to develop a website. I don't want to learn how to create a website of my own or a landing page, that type of thing. Is this something that I can still do? Well, the good news is that you absolutely can start making affiliate marketing commissions even though you don't have a website of your own. So we decided to put together a list of 6 different methods and ways that you can do affiliate marketing even if you don't have a website. Now, I'll be honest with you, if you do want to start an affiliate marketing business for the long term, then you might want to actually look into learning how to develop, a landing page and create these websites and things like that online. But we wanted to share these ideas with you anyway so that you can get the ball rolling. There's no need for you to kind of delay your success or your progression when it comes to starting your affiliate marketing business. Also, everything that I'm about to share with you is stuff that we personally do for Pure Remote as well. All of these are methods that we have tried before and most of them we still use today. And if you're really serious about learning how you can start and build a successful online business with affiliate marketing, really learn like in-depth methods and strategies on how you can make thousands per month with this business, we'll leave a link down in the description to the same program that basically helped us build a successful online business from scratch. So definitely check that out if that's something that you're interested in. But for now, let's get into that list of 6 different ways that you can start affiliate marketing without a website. Now, all of these methods that I'm about to share with you are completely free to do. However, they do require that you create content in one way or the other. Now, the first thing that you want to do even before you start promoting is to pick a niche. And a niche is pretty much a topic or an industry or a category. So a niche could be anything, like pets or fitness or weight loss or photography. That is the niche. Then once you got that down, the first way that you can start promoting your product is on TikTok. Now, we're specifically mentioning TikTok first on this list because we honestly think that right now TikTok is the quickest way to get a large amount of people drawn to your business or to your affiliate offer. And what you'll do is basically create a TikTok account and then create videos, short 15-second videos that are specific to your product or to your niche. So let me just give you a quick example of how you can do this on TikTok. So jumping into our TikTok account, Purely Remote, right over here, and you can see that we are constantly creating more and more content specifically about affiliate marketing because that's what Purely Remote does. We show people how to start an online business, how to start affiliate marketing, how to be successful with their affiliate marketing business. So once you've created your TikTok account and you've started making content and little short videos that are specific to your niche and your product that you're promoting, how do you then send people to your affiliate offer? Well, in your profile or your bio, there's a little space right over here where you can put a link, right? So for us, we've got purelyremote.online, which takes people to our homepage. But if you don't have a website, you could just link people directly to your affiliate offer. Now, if you do want to learn how you can use TikTok to promote your affiliate offers and your products, we have created another video that goes into more detail about that specifically, and we'll link it right up here. Then the second option that you can use is Pinterest. Now, Pinterest is more like a search engine than a social media platform. People specifically go onto Pinterest and search for ideas. The great thing about Pinterest is that people are looking for ideas, and 9 times out of 10, they are already ready and willing to buy whatever it is they're searching for. They're just looking for a product that suits or fills their needs. So what you'll do is go onto Pinterest and create an account for yourself, again, completely free. And then instead of having only one product to promote, try to find like 5 to 10 different products that you can promote on Pinterest. Now, Pinterest is huge on images and pictures. So you also want to go ahead and find as many pictures as you possibly can, whether you create images on your own, whether you get images that you have permission to use for the specific products, and you're going to create boards and pins on Pinterest and lead people to your affiliate link. Now, again, I will be completely honest with you, when it comes to promoting affiliate links on Pinterest, sometimes Pinterest allows it and sometimes it doesn't. What we found is that when you promote affiliate links that are specific to, affiliate marketplaces like ClickBank, that type of thing, then Pinterest won't actually allow you to place a link into your pin. But for other affiliate programs, so for example, if you're an affiliate for a private company, or if you're an Amazon or a Nike affiliate, that type of thing, usually those links are still allowed. But the marketplace ones, not so much. So again, just to give you an example of what you would do, basically this is one of our pins that we've created on Pinterest for Purely Remote. So we've created an image right over here, and the caption is learn affiliate marketing and work from home. We've written a little description. So this easy 3-step process has helped thousands of people make their first $1,000 online. And we are specifically referring to a training program, a beginner's training program for affiliate marketing. So what happens is anyone who views this pin and who is interested in actually learning more about how they can do this, if they click on the image, that's going to take them straight through to the training program that we as affiliates promote. And every time somebody signs up for that program, we make a commission from it. So you could pretty much do the same thing with your affiliate products and your affiliate offers. Then the third way to do this is to create a Facebook group. Now, what you'll do is obviously you need a Facebook account, and it is completely free to do. So how it works is when you go into your Facebook account, you're going to click on create a new group, and you can name your group whatever you like. Okay, the privacy, make sure that you set it to public so that people can actually find your group. And what you'll do from there, once you set up your group, is create content that always specifically speaks about your niche, right? So if you're in photography, always post content that's about photography. And initially, when you start your group, you might be thinking, how are you going to get people to actually join your group? Well, the first way is you could just put a post in your status update saying, I've got this group that's specifically about photography. If you're interested, let me know and I can add you to the group. That's a great way to actually get your group off the ground. And then you're going to keep your group engaged through the content that you create. So let's say, for example, it is a group about photography and you are an affiliate for, within the photography niche. You're always going to post content in that group that is helpful and valuable and insightful for your group members, because what happens is when they engage with that, when they love your comments or when they love your posts or when they comment on it, Facebook is going to realize that, this group has a lot of engagement. And what they do is they then promote your group to other people on the platform who have the same interest, who might want to actually be a part of your group as well. And then from there, in your different posts, if there's a new camera coming out or if there's a new lens, basically what you could do is post about it, create a post about it, and include your affiliate link in there as well. But when it comes to posting content on a group, you also want to be careful not to always be posting stuff that leads to them buying a product, right? You always want to make sure that you're also adding value and not always just trying to sell. So you also do want to mix up your content a little. Then method number 4 is to start a YouTube channel. So like the other options that I've just mentioned, with your YouTube channel, you want to create content that is specifically speaking to your niche, the people who are interested in the same topic or category that your business is in. Very similarly to what we do on Purely Remote, right? We only create content and videos that are here to help you make money online, that show you different methods and strategies, that help you start an affiliate marketing business, that type of thing. That is our niche, and that's why we only post content about that particular topic. And the thing is that we have tried to create multiple YouTube channels in the past, and they haven't worked because when we look back, we weren't actually in a particular niche. We were kind of just trying to create random videos, so we got random results. The second you start creating niche-specific content, you only start attracting people who have similar or the same interests as you. So for example, this is one of our previous YouTube videos, and in the description right over here, we have included, in this particular video, we review a affiliate marketing training program for beginners, and right over here is where we can include our affiliate links. In the description is where we include our affiliate links. Now, we are adding value by, for example, giving a detailed review about this particular training program. So then anyone who's interested and who wants to learn more, they're going to check out the description, and when they click on any of these links, they lead either to one of our other videos if they want to learn more about that particular topic. But if they are interested in, joining this training program after seeing our review, they'll click on this link, which is an affiliate link of ours. And if they do sign up, or when they do sign up, we will receive affiliate commission. So you can pretty much do the same with your affiliate offers as well. Now, the great thing about using Facebook groups and YouTube is that you are not limited to the type of affiliate link or offer that you can put in your posts. So for example, I mentioned ClickBank doesn't work so well on Pinterest. For YouTube or for Facebook groups, you don't have that limitation. You can actually place a link that is directly to an affiliate marketplace offer or product. So for example, something from ClickBank. Now, another great thing about going the YouTube route is that if you're not comfortable showing your face and putting your face out there on camera, you don't even have to do that. You can create what's called faceless content, which is when you use stock videos and stock images to basically create a video that still adds value to people, and you can still do the same thing by including any affiliate links that you might have, or taking people to your affiliate offer by placing those links in the description. Option number 5 is to promote your affiliate links through Quora. Now, Quora is a massive forum where people can post questions and get answers to their specific questions. Just to show you how it looks, this is basically what Quora looks like. So for example, people ask a question like, which ways are good to get a profit in affiliate marketing? So what you would do is go into these questions and then answer them. Make sure to be informative and give valuable information. And also another thing to remember with Quora is that they don't necessarily like it when you link people directly to an affiliate link. So if you do go with this option, remember that you would need to create content around a specific question that answers a specific question, and from your answer in Quora, lead them to that. So whether it is a YouTube video or a blog or anything that does answer their specific question, lead them there first, and then from there you can take them over to your affiliate link. But on Quora, it is not at all the best idea to just throw in a link that takes them directly to an affiliate offer. They don't really like that, and you could possibly get banned from the platform. Now, I'll be honest with you, Quora is honestly a great way to promote your affiliate links, and we recently put up a video on the channel that shows you how you can actually bring in unlimited amounts of free traffic using Quora. So definitely check that video out as well if this is the route that you want to go with promoting your affiliate offers. But just to give you a little more of an idea, so these are the answers that we have recently given on Quora. So someone had asked, how can I start affiliate marketing? And basically we give them an informative answer that is packed with value. And over here is where we put a link in to a video that we created that specifically tells people, that teaches someone how they can start an affiliate marketing business, or how they can start affiliate marketing. So if they were to click on this link, they would be taken to our YouTube video or our YouTube channel. And from there in the description, we've included our affiliate link so that if they do click on the programs or the products that we're promoting, we get those affiliate commissions. So it's really that simple. Then method number 6 also involves Facebook, but a little bit different to Facebook groups. This way involves Facebook Messenger. So basically you're going to be reaching out specifically to people, building relationships, and getting your affiliate links to them from there. Now, when I say this, I'm not saying just add a whole bunch of friends and try to spam your links to as many people as possible, because that's not how it works. And again, that's the quickest way to get banned from Facebook. So what you want to do is go into groups that have, same interests as you. So if you're in photography and you're an affiliate for a photography company, or a company that makes cameras or filters or whatever it may be, find groups on Facebook and then join those groups and interact with those people. Now, with this particular method, you want to make sure that the affiliate product that you're promoting is a little bit of a higher ticket, because it does take a little more time to actually build those relationships with people and speak to them over Messenger, and then get them to your affiliate link so they can buy whatever product it is that you're promoting. So when I say a higher ticket affiliate marketing offer, just whatever makes sense for you. Remember, with this method, you are going to be taking a little more time to actually speak to people. It's not just a matter of creating content and posting it. So basically, what I'm saying is you don't want to be spending all of that time on Messenger if for every sale that you get as an affiliate, you're only be getting like, $2 or $3. You need a higher ticket offer, so something that earns you commissions of, like $100 or more. So in a nutshell, with this method, using Facebook Messenger, find groups that relate to your niche. So if you're in yoga, find yoga groups. If you're in photography, find photography groups. If you're in the pet niche, find groups that are specifically to do with pets. Engage with those groups, interact with the posts that they create, and more importantly, engage with the people individually. Then those are the people that you add as friends, and you start reaching out and you just create a conversation with them over Messenger. Remember that it's really easy to speak about something you love with someone else if you guys have that in common. So if you do it that way, you're already off to a good start. And those are our 6 ideas of how you can actually make affiliate commissions without needing a website. Now, something to keep in mind that is super important is that affiliate marketing is not about getting your links and just spamming it everywhere. It's the quickest way to just go nowhere slowly. And on these social media platforms, or on places like Quora and Pinterest, it's the quickest way to get banned. So pick one of these platforms or pick one of these methods, or more than one if you've got the time and the energy to do that, and then use the methods that I just showed you to promote on those particular platforms. Now, if you do have any questions about this video, or if there's anything you'd like to learn more about and have us create a video about it on Purely Remote's channel, let us know down in the comments and we'll definitely get back to you in there. And I hope you found this video super useful, valuable, helpful, and informative. If you did, please remember to leave a thumbs up down at the bottom. And then also, if you have not yet already done so, remember to subscribe to Purely Remote, because we're constantly going to be creating content that helps you be successful online. All of the best with your affiliate journey, and we'll see you in our next video.